In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Shure SM7B without a Cloudlifter. Now, the main important thing when it comes to using it without a Cloudlifter is the audio interface that you're using in order to power the Shure SM7B. Now, the Shure SM7B needs around 60 decibels of clean gain in order to sound right. So in this video, I'm going to go over a list of a bunch of audio interfaces that you guys could use and also give my personal recommendation. I would also like to clarify that this video is not sponsored. This video is just based purely on my own experiences. So the audio interface that I use personally and that I've been using for over 4 years now is the Shure SM7B plus the Elgato Wave XLR audio interface. So here's how it does look like, and I really do like this interface because it's incredibly easy to use. It fits nicely on my desk. It doesn't take up that much space, and I believe it cost around $170-ish. It will fit nicely on your desk, but the one thing to note is that regardless of what audio interface you're using, always make sure to turn off phantom power because the Shure SM7B is a dynamic microphone, and you really don't want to use phantom power with it. So this right up here, if the light is turned on, that means phantom power is enabled, but we need to make sure that's off, otherwise it can damage the microphone, and you obviously don't want to do that. And also, another good practice, regardless of what audio interface you're using, is to actually talk closer to the microphone. You always want to talk around like 2 inches away or maybe 4 inches away from the microphone. It will give you the best results possible. Speak in front, not to the side of the microphone. For example, like don't talk over here or don't like twist it or something like that or do anything weird. Just go ahead and put it towards the front like this. But anyways, if you guys don't want to get the Elgato Wave XLR, because this is really like for beginners, honestly, but if you want a more advanced audio interface that obviously has more settings and stuff like that, you could also use the Scarlett 3rd generation or the 4th generation. You could use the SSL2. You guys could also use the Motu M2, the Go XLR, or the Go XLR Mini, and many other options out there. So if your interface tops out at around 50 decibels, then you're going to struggle. You need an audio interface with at least 60 in order to power the Shure SM7B comfortably. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.